What's up, bros? Alright, Carlor is back, and he's going to give you a couple quick tips. Quick tips. Hello, I am Carlor. I'm going to teach you a little bit of what I know about the bow staff, and it's just of things I've seen online. And 600 million years, the spirit of Carlor, my alter ego, has helped me with. Carlor cannot be stopped. Anybody who has ever tried has failed. Carlor is like a train. Carlor is like a lightning strike. It strikes where it wants, at any time, anywhere. A lightning strike is unpredictable, and no one knows how to stop it. So let's start with the butterfly knife technique. Check out YouTube channel SKMA Hapkido. I hope I pronounced that right. He's one of the many people I've seen teach this technique. It's called that because you do a butterfly symbol with your hand, basically. They cross up like this. Right? You can switch direction. Here's the butterfly, but then there's the knife. The knife. Because you're doing a knife. You're doing a knife with your hands, and you're doing a butterfly with your hands. Just practice doing that for a while. Here's a couple sweet tricks Carlor has up his sleeve. That one's called the whirlwind. This one's called have a seat. This one's called area cleared. Carlor cannot be stopped. Anybody who's ever tried has failed. Here's a 360 hand switch. Might be able to try that. Hello, I am Carlor. I will teach you about the bow staff. I am knife, butterfly, knife, butterfly, knife, butterfly, knife. Knife one side, you butterfly the other. Try to pick up the speed. Now, switch direction. Same thing again. Find the center of the bow staff. Pick up the speed. Lift it up in the air. This right here, I don't know what it's called, it's the tuck behind. It's a good way to just stop your bow staff. It happens after a couple of rotations where you just tuck it right there. You can go do it different ways. And then hit it back. That gives you momentum to change direction for your bow staff. Then there's this one. You get it off-centered, and then you end up grabbing it from the end, and you just, the short end comes back, and you tuck it behind your back like that. Grab it from the center. This is kind of like drumming, what the drummers do. And I use my fingers like this. I'm not an expert, but my alter ego has helped me become great, because Carlor is great. One thing I like to try to do is just imagine enemies coming at me. What I would do if there's a guy coming this way and that way. I might get ready and just and then hit this guy with the roundabout like this. If you grab it from this end, bang, he keeps him far away. Keeps him far away from you. And it is the most velocity. It comes down with the most velocity like this. Bam! Set. Always get set like this. You can use it to walk. Bow staff is good for walking. This is the longest I would go with. It's about 6'6". Just take your height and add 6 inches. If I ever needed to cut it for to make a shorter one, I would. Different jump attacks. Here's one jump attack. I call this one the leaping praying mantis. I think it needs work. Wow. Here's the sneak attack right here. Kick it up. Just when you think that he's standing down, he's not. Because the bow staff is fast like that. It's a walking stick. And then it's not a walking stick anymore. Carlor! Really helps you feel good about yourself. I'm gonna have to make up for that one. Time to release my inner Carlor. Kind of simple once you put it down like that. You look at the reverse side. Just pass it behind your back. Right where the end is near your elbow like this. That's when you want to do the pass behind. This one takes me a couple tries. I'm a little rusty. And then you can turn that and start doing the. Then you can turn this trick, go the other way with it. Ooh, yeah, just like that. Make contact with your back. Let it snare for a second. Arch your back. Alright, well anyway, the Carlor will return with more quick tips for you. We'll make a beginner bow staff. We'll make a beginner bow staff so you don't hit yourself in the head with an oak staff like Carlor's. You wouldn't want that. You wouldn't want that. Alright, till next time, guys. It's been real. Thanks, bros. hit subscribe. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh man, Carlor isn't the greatest. You guys are.